Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Garden Stories. Today's video is about how to make a terrarium in 5 easy steps. So, terrarium is basically a collection of small decorative plants growing in an enclosed environment. The first thing you need is a glass vessel. Just make sure that the vessel is made up of transparent material so you can enjoy your mini garden. Small pebbles or stones will be used as the base of your terrarium. These small pebbles act as a water drainage for the plant's root to ensure that excess water doesn't stay in the soil and cause rotting. And the next layer is activated charcoal, which keeps the water fresh and helps to fight off bacterial growth in your terrarium. And the next layer is potting soil. Any type of soil should do the trick. And finally, pick out a few of your favorite small size plants, and you can use any air purifying plants, succulents and mini cacti. I'm using here some baby plants grown with the main plant. And here I'm using this peace lily plant, snake plant, zizi plant and one more snake plant. And for decoration purpose I'm using this small frog. And I'm adding this small sparrow. So now it looks really complete. And for watering, use a syringe or straw and water directly at the roots. Do not overwater. If the leaves become yellow and mushy, it means you have overwatered it.